Hey guys, I have the same problem on my system. What you have to do, I will be doing in front of you to fix this issue. So in the first step, simply right click here and select settings. Now on this window we need to just scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Again scroll down and click on other troubleshooters. Then once we are here, we need to find out the internet connections. So we have to click on run. So this will try to detect the problems related to the particular issue. So we have to click on troubleshoot my connection to the internet. So click here. So the Ethernet adapter is disabled, so I have to enable it. For that I will close this window and just right click here, select settings, then go to network and internet, just scroll down, click on advanced network settings, and once we are here we need to enable this option. In my system it's showing Ethernet, it can also be a Wi-Fi, so we have to just click on enable it and again close this window and simply restart the system. Your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.